Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's gonna be a haul and collab with Look Fantastic, and this is gonna be the New Year's end of the year look that I create with a few products that they sent me. These are new products for me, and then there's a brand, it's my Kitco, that I found on Look Fantastic, and that it's my go-to brand for my makeup artistry kit. So I'm gonna be actually showing you how I create this look, and if you love the products that I'm using on this video, you can go and check them out on my links below. And if you use my name, the code Jordana in all capitals, you will get 22% off of any of these products that I'm showing you. And you can go to Look Fantastic US and you can find a whole bunch of products and brands, hair care, just makeup and beauty products that we all know and love, and other brands that are different from the ones that we can get in other places here, that I just would highly recommend that you would go to their website. The products that I get from this website are completely different from the other brands or the other products that I get from my usual sites that I purchase. And that's what I love the most about this site, that it has so many brands, drugstore and high-end, and it's just something different. And now it carries my Kitco, which is, or I don't know if it used to carry it, but it carries my Kitco. And if you love to travel and you love to keep your makeup clean, safe and visible, my Kitco is the brand for you. So 22% is a big deal. You guys know that other websites, they do 20% twice a year and whatnot. Look Fantastic has great deals all year round, but 22% off in prestige brands, it's great. It's great. Just use the code Jordana, and that way they can know that you are coming from my channel, and that way they can know that I'm bringing traffic to their website. So I'm thankful to you beforehand if you decide to purchase through my link or using my code. All the information is gonna be down below, and if you want to see how I create this beautiful look for New Year's, then just keep on watching. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Anastasia Sun Kiss Cream Bronzer. And this one, it was just something that I really wanted to try. And I find that the shade, it's perfect for me. This is, I think, the lightest shade on the range. And I'm going to be applying this with my beauty sponge. Now for blush, I grabbed this kit. This is the Nude Sticks Pretty Nude Skin, Eyes, Face and Lips, and it comes with two shades. This is Body Language and Sweet Peach Peony. Sweet Peach Peony is one that I've been wanting to try because I've heard a little bit about it on YouTube, and every time I've worked with Look Fantastic, I pick a shade. So I have two shades, a bronzer, Bondi Bay, and another one which is a nudie pink, and now I have these two, which are one more on the peachy side and then the other one more on the mauvey rosy side. So I'm gonna be using both on my cheeks so that you guys can see them. These products from Nude Sticks, I want the entire range. I think they're beautiful, and I think they're amazing for on the go. Since I've been traveling, I brought the two that I have with me because they are just versatile, they're easy to use. I can apply them with my fingers or with a beauty sponge. So right here you see Body Language, and then here Sweet Peach Peony. I'm gonna be applying Body Language in the apples of my cheeks and Sweet Peach Peony as ending to my contour in a way. And I'm gonna be blending that with the same beauty sponge that I've been using for my bronzer, my foundation, and my concealer. Now to set everything, I'm actually gonna use this palette that I got. This is the Viteri Hyaluronic Hydra Powder, and this is in the shade Medium to Warm. And I like this one because it comes with a lighter shade, and then it also comes with other shades that I can use as bronzers and whatnot. And this palette will be versatile for me and for my makeup artistry kit. It's actually not that big, and it helps me to just have different powders. I tend to go for translucent powders instead of pressed powders. This is a good way to try them, and if I don't use them enough, I don't have a crazy amount. So I'm gonna be using the lightest shade under my eyes, and then I'm gonna be using this shade as a topper for my bronzer, or just to contour a little bit more. This is the second time that I use these powders, and I feel that they are seamless. They don't look like pressed powders that will just dry out your face. They don't look cakey. They don't look thick. It looks like the perfect setting powder. It reminds me a lot of the Charlotte Tilbury one. Since that one is thin, it doesn't cake up on your face, and you can actually use it to retouch throughout the day. I'm gonna do my lips first before my eyes because I've been dying to try this, and I tried it again last night because I was trying to film this video but it was too dark. And this is the Chantecaille lip tint in the shade Beach Rose. This has great packaging, it looks expensive, pricey, and it's a product that I know I will finish completely. I should order a lip tint every time I place an order because it's just one of those products that I actually go through them. So I'm gonna apply this because I just love a hint of color on my lips instead of a full lip or full matte lip. And then I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'm gonna do something a little bit more dramatic than what I've been doing because I haven't been wearing eyeshadow for the past 2 months. And then for eyeshadow, I wanted to try something different. I actually have bought a few Natasha Denona palettes since I've been here. I wanted to sort of complete my collection, so I bought a few Natasha Denona shadows, but I wanted to try something that I could get from Look Fantastic that I've never tried on my channel before, and that it would be my color scheme or the color scheme that I tend to use on me or on my clients. And this is the Berry M Nude and Neutral Subtle Eyeshadow Palette. It comes with 9 shades. They are environmentally friendly because they don't have mirrors in them, and the color scheme of this one is just so beautiful. So I'm gonna use these with a black liner because I'm not anything without my black liner, and I want to do sort of like a wing liner to do this New Year's look. So the first color that I'm gonna apply is Majestic mixed with Pumice, which are two of the two lightest shades. One it's a matte and the other one has sort of a sheen. I'm gonna apply them all over my lid as a base. I haven't done my eyebrows because my bangs are super long, and I'm gonna keep them that way, and I'm gonna keep them on my face until I cut them. So my brows are not actually gonna be visible. So I will do them, but I will do them at the end of the video. I haven't primed my eyes because you guys know I don't truly prime them. I just feel that for me that's an extra step, and I don't need to because my eyeshadow never creases. So this doesn't have that much pigment. It's just as a base for the rest of the eyeshadow that I'm gonna be using. I don't know if these are pigmented because yesterday I realized everything was too dark before starting my eye look. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Warmth, which is this one, and then next to it I'm gonna use the shade Wonder, which is this one right here, just to blend the two together. So the matte one in the outer corner, and then this one just meshing the dark one to the middle of the eyelid. And then I'm gonna place a lighter color right here, maybe from another palette if this one doesn't have enough pigment. And for this I'm using the Rephr number 13 brush. And then to blend that color even more, I'm using the same brush that I used at the beginning, which is a MAC 224 brush. With my finger, I'm going in with Wonder. And yes, now this is the type of shade that I love. I don't know if it will work the same without my finger, but I don't care if I have to use my finger for it to have pigmentation. I think it's worth it. And then I'm gonna grab this shade Feels, which is this pink right here, and I'm gonna apply it towards the inner corner. Since a look that I do is never a complete look if I don't use black, I'm gonna grab this black from the Viva palette, which is one that I brought on my 5-pan palette, the Franken palette that I brought with me, which was basically the only eyeshadow palette that I brought, and the Rephr number 29, which is a smudge brush. And I love this one because it helps me just line my eyes the perfect way. And then for my inner corner, I'm grabbing a Natasha Denona shadow, which is called Nude, because I wanted something that would pop a little bit more. And this is perfect for New Year's. And to finish this New Year's Eve look and show you 2 more products that are basically my favorite from the entire haul with Look Fantastic, I'm gonna go in with my Precisely My Brow Pen in the shade number 5, and then my Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara, which have been just my go-to this past month. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now let's go into the 2 other things that they sent to me, and I want to show them to you filled up because these are things that I actually use for my makeup artistry kit, and that now that I have a little baby, I can even use a few of these pouches on my diaper bag. So the first one is this one, and this is a kit that comes with this big pouch right here, this PVC pouch, and then it comes with 3 inside of it. I love how sturdy these are. And I'm gonna open it up and show it to you guys so that you guys can see what it fits inside and what it comes with inside. So it comes with these two pouches, and I have everything here filled out with products that I've gotten since I've been here. So you can see here, these are travel size products and staple products, toiletries. And then these are mascaras, concealers, and whatnot. These are everything that I've purchased now that I've been here and that I've gotten on PR and whatnot. These are unopened products, but you can see the amount that it fits. And then in the bottom of it, it comes with this little bag, and it's a flat bag. And these are super easy to clean. So here I put a few foundations that I purchased for my makeup artistry kit. This is a good way just to keep everything in one place, organized, but it can also be a separate pouch that you take for other things, and this can be a separate pouch. So you don't have to actually keep them in one place, but if you would like to keep everything in one bag but still separate and organized, this comes with 3 pouches and then the big pouch that holds everything together, and they all come with the little logo from my Kitco that you can see right here. So I will leave this set below. Then I wanted to show you the other thing that they sent me that I requested. This is the mini backstage bag, and I've been keeping my makeup artistry business running in Colombia. My sister-in-law Daniela, she was trained by me to do makeup, so I left her with a big My Kitco suitcase filled with my makeup artistry kit for her to use on my clients, my brides and everything, that they know her and trust her. But I wanted something that when she's on the go with me and she's assisting me on my makeup artistry, that she can take a small bag with all the essentials just to do makeup with me, or she can do foundation while I do eyeshadow and whatnot. So this is the perfect size for that, and I've been thinking that it's also the perfect size since I have a little baby now, that if I'm gonna go somewhere super quickly and I don't want to take the bulky diaper bag, I can just fill this out and take it with me, and it will have everything I need for him. So I can even do a video filling it with baby stuff and filling it with makeup stuff, but I'm gonna show it to you now filled with new makeup that I've purchased recently. So this is my mini backstage My Kitco bag, and it's just perfection. So first it comes with this, and then it comes with this handle, which is super sturdy. Here you can put Kleenex and open it from here, but if you don't want to use it that way, you can also use this as a pocket. And it comes with plenty of room for you to fill it out. It comes with side pockets right here. On each side, it has a deep pocket. If you can hear my baby, he's with me on this room and I can't leave him alone right now. There's no one to take care of him right now for me while I'm filming. So he's just waking up. Here you have another pocket. Then in the back you have also another pocket, and everything comes with zippers and everything is PVC. Super easy to clean. And then right here in the center I have like 4 big eyeshadow palettes, and it has room on top for other things. So this is just a bag that you can fill out with a lot of things, even if it looks small. Like I said, this is the mini version of the backstage makeup bag, and you can see that it's little but it holds a ton. This is not filled to the brim. This is not crazy filled out, and you can see how much you can fit in there. I'm gonna put pictures right here of both of the kits so that you can see them empty, but I wanted to show them to you with something inside or filled out so that you can just have an idea of how much you can fit into them. So that's it, you guys. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you can recreate this look for New Year's, and I hope you get to enjoy these products. To be honest, there wasn't a fail. The eyeshadow palette, I have to play with it more, and you will see updates on these products. You will see them either on my favorites next year or just throughout my videos, because you guys know when I love a product, I keep showing them to you over and over and over. I was missing you guys. This is the first video that I filmed in a couple months. I had no computer. My ring lights, both of them broke. I'm having a new set of lights that I purchased while I was here that I'm gonna take back with me. So this is the reason why I haven't been able to film, because I didn't have a computer to edit and I didn't have lighting to film either. So now I'm back. I have a few videos, like 6 videos that I pre-filmed before coming here. I'm gonna be editing and posting them for you, but probably you will see this one first, since I was waiting for these products to get to me to film this New Year's look. Everything will be linked below. You will get 22% off with the code Jordana. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. I love you. Bye bye.